Hi, my friends. We are actually very close to end this course. But before that, before we want to export our projects, we want to fix some bugs to make it ready to be exported next session. For mobile controls, since we don't have left and right mouse buttons, we need to use UI buttons instead. Create two UI buttons and assign suitable icons to them. Select each button and add the component on-screen button. For the control path of the melee attack button, check what input action is already connected to the onMelee function in the player input manager and use the same path here. Do the same process for other buttons. Now, there is another issue.
I'd be scared if I were as weak as you!
Too many sounds are overlapping and playing at the same time. To fix this, we create a SoundManager and make it a singleton. Assign the SoundManager script to the Game Manager game object and add an audio source component to it. Next, write a function for playing sounds. We want to make sure that no new sound is played while another one is already playing, so only one dialogue or sound can be heard at a time. This prevents audio overlap. Now go back to the enemy AI script and call the play sound function from the SoundManager whenever a sound needs to be played. With these changes, the overlapping audio problem is fixed.
I'd be scared if I were as weak as you!
I'd let you win, but where's the fun in that?